Have you had a chance to see the episode and talk to them about it? Did it take you by surprise?
It didn't take me by surprise because I'll tell you what happened. If you, maybe weeks ago, I think it had also come in the media, all of us were at Karan's house. We were just having a dinner or an evening out. And Kareena was talking about going on the show, and she told me that I'm going to, purposely say these things, and I'm going to pull everyone's leg. And she said, do you mind? I said, I have no problems with it. I thought it was very funny. And everyone keeps asking me, apparently Kareena says if she has to kiss somebody, it's going to be me. So that was the bigger shock. I don't know about the marriage part, but for me, the bigger shock was the romance between me and Kareena, which is yet to come.
But Katrina, just tell us.
That's the exciting part.
मेरा imagination उड़ रहा है इस वक्त.
Why did she only take my name that she wanted to kiss me? No.
No, overall episode if we talk with regards to that you are getting married and उन्होंने गाने तैयार रखे हैं आपके सारे hit numbers पे वो perform करेंगी sister-in-law कहा आपको.
I don't know. I'll have to ask her. Listen, see, they're cousins, right? So which means that obviously, and I know for a fact that they often have, I think that also came on the show, someone told me where someone said that, all the information comes from Kareena and then Ranbir tells everybody else. So, I mean, everyone was just pulling each other's leg, but I promise you, I assure you, there's no such thing like that, and it was said in jest. Yes. Of course, blessings and love are always with her, but I think tips, one thing that I have realized in the last year and a half is that it's very important to give people space to be themselves. Rather than me saying, be like this or be like me, I think it's really important to allow the people who you love to be themselves, like your siblings, to let them grow and blossom into who they are.
Mr. Arjun Kapoor is also always saying something on the pictures and everything. How do you take those
I love it. It's so much fun because we don't get to talk to each other much on the phone. So now the way you actually have fun and chat with your friends has become on Instagram.
You have been very graceful, like in coming up and singing the film Bharat. So now you join it. Can you just tell us, say something on it, like as you join the cast and crew?
Acha, ऐसा तो नहीं है. I don't see it that way at all. Honestly, Ali Abbas Zafar is a very, very dear friend of mine. पहले हम लोग साथ में काम कर चुकी थी मेरे पर्दे की दुल्हन में, and then इसके बाद टाइगर जिंदा है में. And both of the films were extremely successful, and more importantly, they were experiences which for me were really wonderful, and I really enjoyed both the experiences working with him. And when he contacted me, he just said, Katrina, he calls me Goldfish. So he said, Goldfish, I'm going to send you a script. Just react to it and tell me what you think. And I read the script and I thought it was an absolutely wonderful script. And I was extremely excited about the character, and I'm very happy to be a part of the film.
Apprehensive to like someone's exit and then you coming in.
See, always the way that I've chosen my films has always been purely based on the script for me and what the character is. So for me, it's extremely exciting to be working with the team again. Extremely exciting to be working with the team again. It's a wonderful script, and I completely love the character that I'm going to play. So very excited for that.
Question is, you have been very lucky. In fact, like in the film, Shah Rukh is very eager to kiss you. Actually, how there's a song like where he's kissing you. He gets a kiss from. He kisses you. How much did you enjoy that? Because normally on screen, Shah Rukh doesn't kiss his heroines actually.
Wow. Sir, I think I need a minute to appreciate this question
And this was the
first.
second time I think.
It's like a googly. I told you it was going to be a googly.
Jab Tak Hai Jaan mein also you were quite lucky. In fact, like this is the second time.
Oh, sir, आप तो पूरी research करके आए हैं.
किसने बोला मैं लकी हूँ? वो लकी है.
Sir, do you agree?
Yeah, I agree that.
Great.
बस फिर बात खत्म.
शायद यहाँ पे मौजूद सारी मीडिया की जहन में होगा, आपके भी जहन में होगा, तो मैं डायरेक्टली पूछती हूँ, बीच में जो आपके पिकनी पिक्स लिख हुए थे उस पर आप अपसेट हुई थी मीडिया से, तो क्या वो नाराज़गी अभी भी बरकरार है?
Does it look like I'm upset? Yeah, I was expecting that question. When a lot of, actually more people have asked me, not just about the pictures, but also about, as you said, that I was upset with the media. First of all, I'd like to correct that. I don't think I was ever said, or I definitely wasn't, upset with the media in general. It was not a general thing. When I saw those particular images, I reacted honestly and I reacted from my heart. And at that time, I felt angry. You know, I felt hurt. So what I did and what I wrote, you know, even a lot of people around me were saying and later said, you know, you have to expect this as an actor. It's part of your job. It's something which is going to happen. But at the time, I really felt hurt. I can't explain why I did. I just felt that it was a moment and it was a private moment, and I felt, you know, I felt that the privacy should have been respected. So I reacted out of that emotion.
Okay.
But there's no such thing that I was upset with everyone in general. And you know, you react in that moment, you say what you need to, and then you move on and you live and you learn from it. I think that's the best thing to say from that whole experience. It would have been 9 years, I think, since I've been acting in films. So I think you can only go by your experience, right? So at that moment when I saw that, the first thing which entered my mind is, this has never happened to me in 9 years. This is not right. That's what I felt, because I thought, you know, I've been living my life in 9 years. I've gone to Spain so many times with my sisters, all 6 of us, you know, skipping down the beach, and it's never happened. So at that moment, I did feel that. Like, I felt it was done with a slightly mean intent. I don't know how else to put it. I felt that. I felt it wasn't done in a spirit of, you know, chalo jest or, you know, in casualness. So as I said to, you know, your colleague, it was my reaction out of hurt. That's the only way I can explain it, is that when someone hurts you, and especially someone who you know, so they feel they were doing the right thing, and after some months have passed now and I've also calmed down a bit, I've also realized that, you know, yes, they did feel they were doing the right thing, and they're not wrong. They're not wrong in their view, but I was not wrong in my view also, I feel. I feel it was a point of view which I had. Next time, if, you know, something like that is going to happen, just give me a little bit of notice and I'll make sure I wear matching clothes, that's all. Red and white does not match. I know.
First of all, congratulations for completing 15 years in Bollywood, and you've really come a long way. Other than that, you really looked beautiful at Deepika Ranveer's reception, and you have started following each other on Instagram as well. Do we see a new friendship blossoming amongst you and Deepika?
You know, a lot of people have asked this question, but if I can just answer it simply the best way that I feel. I was invited to the wedding, and I'm a person, I think, who reacts mostly quite instinctively and emotionally, and I felt it in my heart to go, and we went, and we had a wonderful time. We danced to the wee hours of the morning, and I think I ate half the chocolate, so I might not be invited to any of their functions again. But we had a really wonderful time. There was a lot of warmth between everyone, and it was really beautiful, and we all had a really nice time, and I was very happy to be there.
Thank you.